If you happen to have stumbled across this video, you're looking for a remote control for your Action 4 or your Osmo Pocket 3. Now, I'm here to tell you that you may not need to purchase one because you may already have one. And by that, what I'm saying is the DJI Mic 2 has a remote control function in it that will make your Action 4 or Osmo Pocket 3 work remotely. Now, I know I've got two of these. One I purchased as part of the Creator Combo pack with the Osmo Pocket 3, and the other one I purchased separately before the Osmo Pocket 3 came out because I wanted to use it with my DJI Action 4. So I'm hoping that explains why I've got two. So, in order to use it as a remote control, all you need to do is press the little pairing button and it will work perfectly. I'll show you. Keep your eye on the back of the screen and the little button there. And it works perfectly as a remote control, so hopefully by seeing this video you can save yourself a few quid. You're probably wondering, how far away does this work? Well, I've got the remote, switch them on. Let's go all the way over here. I'm talking into both mics at the same time because I get confused as to which one's which. I'm right over in the corner. This has got to be 10-12 meters away. Works from that distance. So I'm well happy with that. So the next question is, why would you want to actually use one of these as a remote control? Well, when I go out filming, what I have been doing is just putting my little camera down. You know, when I want a bit of B-roll, a bit of walk past or whatever, I'll put my camera down, I'll put it on record, I'll wander off, work out where I'm going, do the walk past or whatever it is. Then I have to run all the way back and switch them off. So that's a lot of wasted time and also a lot of wasted footage. And it takes a lot more time in editing to edit out all the stuff that you don't want. So by being able to use one of these as a remote control, problem solved. And hopefully it saved everybody a few quid. Hope that's been helpful to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Info shed out.